fucking Mental Funeral from fucking Autopsy. Look at that. In my opinion, this is the first fucking death metal mixed in Doom. Created in Doom, literally. Listen to that. This is 1991. Mental Funeral. I love this fucking album. Oh, you can see it clear there. The lights are a little bit in the way. What else I got here? Got this picture disc from Saxon, Metalhead. This is 1999. This is my favorite Saxon album. It's heavy as fuck. I mean, look at the title. I fucking love it. And 1985. Let me get this out. The Kings of Trash Metal from Florida, and father to a lot of bands. Extremely influential. Nasty Savage, self-titled, 1985. This is a remaster by Iron Grip. I cannot see the letters. I don't know. 2000 something, I guess. And it's a green. And you all know me personally. I fucking love green. So, fuck yeah, I love this album. I think I bought it from Hell's Headbangers. And fucking Nasty Savage.